Artificial intelligence has changed fast, but lately one area has really taken off: open-source large language models. Two names dominate that conversation right now: Mistral AI and Llama 3 from Meta. Both are powerful, community-friendly models designed to give developers, researchers, and companies serious performance without the locked-down feel of proprietary systems. But they take different paths to get there, and the differences can matter a lot depending on how you plan to use them. Mistral AI is the newer contender, founded in Europe with a focus on building efficient, open-weight models that anyone can run. Their approach is about compact design and high performance. The smaller Mistral 7B model stunned the AI world because it delivered results close to much larger systems while remaining lightweight enough to run on modest hardware. Then came Mistral, a mixture of experts model that can activate only part of the network for each task. That design means it is both fast and cost-efficient while still producing top-tier text quality. Mistral's models are open from top to bottom, so developers can fine-tune, host, or modify them freely. This makes them ideal for startups, research labs, and companies that want total control of their AI stack without depending on external platforms. Now let's talk about Llama 3 from Meta. Meta has been steadily refining its open model strategy since Llama 2, and Llama 3 is a major leap forward. It combines deep training data, massive parameter counts, and advanced alignment techniques to produce answers that are accurate, balanced, and more conversational than earlier versions. What sets Llama 3 apart is its scale. It comes in multiple sizes to fit different use cases, from small local deployments to enterprise-grade applications that rival closed-source systems. It is also optimized for compatibility with the major machine learning frameworks, making integration with existing infrastructure straightforward. Meta's backing brings stability and resources that help Llama 3 perform exceptionally well in benchmarks. It can handle reasoning, summarization, and coding tasks with impressive fluency. For businesses, that reliability matters. If you are a developer or startup that values autonomy, low cost, and agility, Mistral is likely the better fit. You can run it on your own machines, fine-tune it for niche tasks, and move fast without waiting on large corporate updates. But if you need the reassurance of a battle-tested model with broad support, ready-made integrations, and long-term backing, Llama 3 from Meta will give you that stability. Both models represent the best of what open-source AI can be: transparent, powerful, and accessible to everyone. Mistral brings agility and innovation. Llama 3 brings scale and consistency. Together, they prove that the future of artificial intelligence is not locked behind paywalls, but being shaped in the open, where anyone can build, explore, and create.